Hello traders, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to go over how to use the TrustedSignals Stochastic RSI. To add the Stochastic RSI to your charts, click on the settings for your TrustedSignals oscillator divergences, click on Oscillator Used, and select Stochastic RSI from the drop-down menu. Now that we have the Stochastic RSI on our charts, we need to understand what the Stochastic RSI is and how we can use it to trade. The Stochastic RSI indicator is essentially an indicator of an indicator. It is used in technical analysis to provide a stochastic calculation to the RSI indicator. This means that it is a measure of RSI relative to its own high-low range over a user-defined period of time. The Stochastic RSI's primary function is identifying crossovers, as well as overbought and oversold conditions. The TrustedSignals Stochastic RSI already comes with the most optimal settings that our expert team could find. However, if you need to, you can change the settings so that it will fit your trading strategy better. Now that we understand what the Stochastic RSI is, now we can look at how to use it on our charts. It is important to know, overbought and oversold conditions are traditionally different than the regular RSI. While the regular RSI overbought and oversold conditions are traditionally set at 70 for overbought and 30 for oversold, Stochastic RSI are typically 80 and 20 respectively. When using the Stochastic RSI, overbought and oversold work best when trading along with the underlying trend. This means that, during an uptrend, look for oversold conditions for points of entry. During a downtrend, look for overbought conditions for points of entry. Let's look at an example on our charts. In this example, we can see that price is in a downtrend. This means that we want to look for a sell signal. To identify a sell signal, we want to wait for the lines on the Stochastic RSI to come to, or above, the 80 line. After that happens, our entry will be whenever the red line crosses above the blue line on the Stochastic RSI. We take an entry though with our stops just above the level of resistance, and our take profits can be our previous levels of support. You could also wait for a sell signal from TrustedSignals, for added confirmation. As you can see, we follow all of our rules and we have a winning trade. You can combine the Stochastic RSI with other TrustedSignals indicators as well. We will go over that in a future video. But for now, that is all traders. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future strategy and guide videos. All links for TrustedSignals will be in the description below. I will see you in the next video.